All right, so I just wanted to show you guys real quick the little totally tiny sets that I got from the Dollar Tree. These are the pretzels that come with that. Oops, you can't really see. Yeah, there we go. These are the ones that come with that. This is the totally, oops, sorry. These are the ones that come with like the totally tiny sets. I had gotten the movie theater set quite some time ago, and it comes with like popcorn and a drink and nuggets. So what I did was I just took this little tool that I got from the Dollar Tree. I can't really see it. Let me see if it focuses at some point or another. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe not. Can't get it to focus. Okay, well, it's this little nail tool from the Dollar Tree. And then what I did was I took some puffy paint, which is all I had on hand that was white. I couldn't find my regular paint. And then, where'd it go? I took the little pretzel from the Dollar Tree, took the smaller end of the tool, dipped it in the puffy paint, and then just went over the little pieces where it looks like the salt is at. And just kind of went over the little raised parts where the, fake salt is supposed to be. And obviously you can add more if you want to or whatever. But just a way to make it look a little bit more realistic. So before it didn't have any, and then I just added some. Like I said, I use a little tool. You can use a toothpick or whatever you have on hand. And then I put the corn somewhere. I did something with the corn. I'll show you that in another video. All right, just wanted to show you what I did. Bye.